All right, we're going to start where we left off with part one of the video. Where I'm laminating two pieces together to make the legs. And I'm going to do four of them just like this. Going to clamp them up, allow them to dry for about 24 hours. And now I'm taking my marking gauge and marking for my mortises. And this is where the aprons will sit in. And so I'm going to go through here and cut these mortises out with my chisel. I had to apply a clamp right there to keep pressure because I was starting to blow out the sides right there. And here I'm just cutting all four of the legs down the length. I'm just rounding over the edges on the aprons here just to give it a nice smoother feel. And rounding over the edges on the legs as well. And I changed over from the round over bit to the chamfer bit for the bottom of the legs. Now I'm putting the pocket holes in the aprons so I can join them to the legs and then also eventually join it to the top of the table. And I clamped up the aprons and the legs, and I'm going to glue them and then screw in the pocket holes. I'm using the clamps just to help keep, to make it easier to do the pocket holes and screw them in. And now I'm joining all the sides together. And this is where I'm using the pocket hole screws to connect the top to the legs. I'm doing a round over, just a small round over here. And while I was doing this round over, I started thinking that I should put a nice big chamfer on the breadboard ends, just to kind of give it a little extra look to it. And I didn't get that on camera, but at the end you'll see what I did. And now I'm gonna take the T-coil and I'm gonna put T-coil over the cherry wood. And as you've seen in the first video, this wood is in extremely bad shape. It's old barnyard wood. So this T-coil is gonna actually soak in and also help harden the wood up. Here in a second, I'm going to show you a close-up of the where I did a big chamfer on the breadboard ends. Right there, you can see that, where the arrows are. All the T-coil is now applied. And now I'm just going to apply some polyurethane to it. I believe it was satin. Decided to put some paste wax on the top just for a little added extra protection. And this pretty much completes part 2 of this video. And I'm going to show you some close-up pictures. Came out pretty nice. Please like, subscribe, share it. Leave me some comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, either way.